Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'll show you how to do a winter scarf with my 9mm needle. It's going to be a really fast project. I used a total of 150 grams of wool. It's super easy, so we're going to be doing this in trebles and singles. So if you'd like to see how, feel free to stay tuned. So this is our wool. This is Wool-Tastic Urban Roots. So that's my wool of choice for today. It's 97% wool, 3% polyamide, 50 grams per 60 meters or 1.7 ounces per 66 yards. And the recommended sizes are 8 to 10mm needles, so I have the perfect size for today. As always, I'm starting with chains, so I'm doing 15 this time, and if you want to do a different size you can, but make sure it's an odd number of chains. 1, 2, 3 I have here already. Okay, 15. So the first 3 I leave out, they're for the height, and we start with a treble. Then we do a single, and then a treble, and another single. And yeah, it's super simple. Keep changing between trebles and singles. And end with a single, so we're going to continue in this manner in the same way. We always do 3 chains for the height. We start with a treble and then we again keep changing. So always 3 for the height, treble, single, and you keep going. And you can always check if you're right by having the last stitch as a single crochet. So I'm going to be doing this for a little bit and then I'll meet you again. So a few rows later, I want to show you what I have, and you see the pattern here. So the trebles are indeed bigger than the singles, so that's why we get such an interesting pattern. So this is what makes it special this time. It's also really cool for beginners, so you won't be having any issues trying this out, which makes it perfect. So it's almost like a wave-like pattern that we get. That's because the different stitches have different heights, so to speak. So I'll continue this way until I finish the whole spool and then I'll show you what I have. Okay, so 3 rows later I'm here. You can see the pattern and the fluffiness now. So it's going to be super cozy when you wear it, and that's what I wanted. So it's for a little bit colder weather. Maybe if it's windy outside, it should be just perfect. The texture is also really great, and all I have to do now is weave this in, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up and subscribe. If you'd like to see more, stay tuned with our next video. Have a great day. Bye!